Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here with you on a gorgeous Saturday morning. We are out in Del Valle. Hola mis amigos, ¿cómo están? Andy Patlan de luego, su Realtor Latino. Estamos hoy en un bellezo sábado. Estamos en Del Valle, fuera de 812, fuera de la aeroporte. Guys, today I've got a very special treat for you guys, as we always do. We have a 6.5 acre property, 6.5 acres aquí en Del Valle. 10 minutos del centro, 10 minutes from downtown. You can't get this anywhere else, guys. Land in Austin, as we all know, is really hard to find, and gorgeous land like this, you're not going to find. Ténganse lista para vender. El precio, déjales digo, lo mejor, $599,900. $599,900. $599,900. Look at this. We've got a peach tree, guys. Peach tree. With peaches ready to pick, huh? There we go. 6.5 beautiful acres, nestled in the heart of Austin, just right outside of Austin, Del Valle, 10 minutes from downtown. Okay, si necesitas préstamo, mira, esta es una cabana. I want to show you guys the cabana. Get a little lodge there. This is your land. 6.5. Look, we got a peacock there, guys. We got a peacock, okay? Este es tu terreno, señores. This is what we're talking about. Now, I saved the best for last. This is the house, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2007 year built, 2,500 square feet. Gorgeous house, guys. Again, sitting on 6.5 acres right outside of Austin. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous house, guys. Gorgeous house. Llámame hoy, por favor, 512-784-0048, 512-784-0048. Formal dining area. Okay. Look at the colors. I love what they did with the colors. And all the natural light goes throughout. Mira las ventanas, todo el ambiente, la luz que entra. Mira, tomándose su cafecito aquí. Ahí tienes natural, nature at your backyard, okay? This is a living area. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 4 recámaras, 2 baños. Beautiful, beautiful home. Call it yours today. Háblenme hoy, que no se les pase esta casa. ¿Quieren algo country? ¿Quieren algo en el rancho? Aquí está. 10 minutos de Austin. ¿Eh? Again, beautiful custom built home. No restrictions, light restrictions, no HOA, muy pocas restricciones, sin asociación. Les digo una más vez, háblenme hoy si quieren ver esta casa. 512-784-0048. Andy Patlan, su Realtor Latino. Guys, call me today if you want to see this house. Andy Patlan, 512-784-0048. I'm here to help you buy, sell, or lease real estate in Central Texas. Thank you.